You like the color?
It's a great color.
Wood crest. I call it the McGillivray blue, but also known as blue steel. You know what they say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. However, Angelo and Marina are looking for a little renovation redemption. They've been working on their property, but they haven't figured out how to finish that front entrance or get some curb appeal done. So, I'm gonna enrich their entrance, I'm gonna fluff up their foyer, and I'm gonna do it all in a day. Good morning!
Good morning!
How are you?
Good, good.
So I understand you need some help here.
We do, as you can see.
Yeah, okay, so let's start talking about the curb appeal.
We did a lot of work on the inside, and this was kind of left behind.
So there's definitely a few things you could do to increase the curb appeal. And what are the major things inside that you need to tackle still?
So the inside, we have, our main challenge is our entrance, because our house is a bit different. The main floor is downstairs, so the entrance is also a passage. So we all go in to the bedrooms through here and then to the main floor. So we have to pass by all the time, and when there's mud and snow and kids, it's a mess.
It's a real challenge.
It's a real challenge.
But you guys have renovated everything else.
Yes.
All right, I see what needs to be done out here. Let's take a look at what needs to be done inside.
Okay.
All right.
Ah, oh, that's fun. Look at those floors. How about a front hall closet? Where's the front hall closet then?
There's none.
Oh, there is no front hall closet.
No, that's part of the issue. So that's like the makeshift that we figured.
Can you tell me what's happening over here?
That was an idea of a small place to work if we needed, but we've been living here for over a year and nobody has used this desk as the intended purpose.
Basically, we just have our keys there. That's what we use it for.
Okay, well, we can probably find a better use of space to put your keys. How good will it feel if we can get all this done today?
Oh boy.
It would be awesome.
Okay, well, I think we can get it done. From what I've seen, I've already got a few things coming. You guys will have to help me make some choices. And are you guys ready to do a little work today?
Okay.
Yeah,
let's
sure.
do it, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a couple projects as well, but first things first, let's clear everything out of the way.
Perfect.
Okay.
Deal?
Let's
Deal.
do a deal.
Okay, let's do it. Yes, the wood crest cabinets have arrived. We're just cleared out inside, so perfect timing. Everything here, which we would normally use for kitchen cabinets, we've customized for the front hall. We should have enough for the bench seating, some storage above and below.
Yep.
All here.
Yep, it's all good.
And we got the 3 tall cabinets.
We do.
Yep.
All right, and one of them's shallow depth because of that post we're gonna try to bury in the wall.
Yes.
Yep. Love it. And we gotta do it all in a day. So let's get to it. This is the one that's going to go in front of the post. I love that. We'll have a gable panel here so that we can completely hide it.
Yep.
From the outside, everything will look like it's the same size, and this one here will just be half the depth because we have the support post behind. That's perfect.
Yep.
Goodbye, post. Railing. What we'll do is just create like a nice little corner, somewhere you can just sit down, you feel cozy, and you don't want anybody falling off the side here, especially with kids and stuff. That'll give us like a nice little spot where you could just kind of put 2 chairs. It feels tucked in and safe. And then this becomes the front entrance, and then we can do a few plants in here.
Exactly.
Keep it simple, keep it clean, but make it feel inviting. I love it. Okay, I have a project for you guys. Since we are finishing the final 10% of your property,
Okay.
you're gonna have to welcome people in that front door.
Okay.
It's a good
Yeah.
idea.
And I thought something fun with a little bit of energy, get you guys excited to bring people in, would be a perfect project for you guys to work on. So what I have here is I have a whole bunch of stencils in different sizes. I have a few different paint colors. I've got your brushes and your tape. I was thinking you guys could put a couple greetings on here, maybe say hello or welcome, or how do you say hi in Portuguese?
Oi.
Oi! So you could do like oi, so you got your Portuguese greeting over here. What was I putting together? Oh, I thought maybe for the middle, you could have hi.
Cannot
I
go
don't know.
wrong.
Hi or hello, you could put hello or welcome. I mean, we got everything. The stencils are all here.
Awesome.
The paints are all here. Mix it up a little bit. You got white, black, and you got a bit of a teal, which matches everything inside. Can you handle it?
Yes, I think so, yes.
Okay, I'll leave the grand entrance to you guys then.
Okay,
Awesome.
beautiful.
I like it.
We need new front light to match the mailbox, to match the railings, to match the numbers. A little bit of consistency out here. Hey, boom. That would go there, that would go there, that would go there. Oh,
Right?
that was it, you nailed it. That's what's happening. Whew. Big changes in this space. Time to start dressing it. If we got this bench finished, how close are we, Mark?
Oh, so close, just working on that last filler piece right now.
A couple filler pieces will make it all fit perfectly in the space and in the middle. We are just getting the doors adjusted, Jim.
Yeah, almost done.
Almost done. Let's take a look at this. Yes, maximize the height we have in here. Tons of storage, something that wasn't here before, and a cool design detail. Either side flanked with the oak, which is pulled from the floor, which is gonna look great on that side. All of it hugging the alabaster finish in the middle, which again goes great with the walls. But what I absolutely love about the Woodcrest cabinetry is that you can customize it to any color that you like. So I picked one that's one of my favorites. Blue steel, inspired by the blue in the floor, but adds a little bit of energy with that edgy look to it. Everything's coming together. We're about to make a real entrance here.
Wow!
That's me making an entrance, and I've made you an entrance.
Okay.
Ready to check it out?
Yes.
Yes.
All right,
let's
come
do
around.
it.
Come and check
Oh,
it out.
Oh my God. This is
Look at it.
amazing.
We can be found now. We have a number.
We have a house number and a bench, and the mat looks perfect. Can't believe we did that.
It doesn't move anymore.
It doesn't move. The old railing was all
Yes.
busted, and it was a
Yes,
bit
it
of a
was
trip
falling
hazard
off.
over there.
Yeah.
Oh, boy,
Oh
look
my
at-
God.
look at-
I love it.
I know you guys have invested a lot of money into renovating this into your dream home.
Yes.
But it wasn't obvious from the outside that you had done so much work because you kind of left the last 10% for the curb appeal and the entrance inside. So I wanted to make sure that we put in a new railing that was safe, have somewhere to sit out front and actually enjoy your patio. Put in a new mailbox, I put in a new light fixtures, and
And we have a guy.
I love it. It's a garden. It's a proper garden.
you know what I like? This doormat.
I like
Yeah.
it.
I think
like
that
it.
turned out amazing.
I know, me too.
That's true, yeah.
All right, are you guys ready to see what we did inside?
Yes, let's do it.
Definitely.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how I like to make an entrance.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Wrong house.
No, yeah, you're right. This is not our house.
Come on!
Oh, this looks amazing.
You guys already had the floors in, so when I saw a picture of that and sort of the blank slate, we wanted to customize something for the space. These are typically what you'd use for kitchen cabinetry, but they work perfectly for here. You can see I have the oak for the space where you sit down, which is like your mudroom space. This is your seasonal stuff, goes up here, right? So
Yeah.
it's tucked away, but still easy to
Nice.
access. You could even
Yeah.
go another layer on top if you wanted. But the big thing is the
Yeah.
amount of storage that you get with these cabinets.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
Tons of storage
Oh
in
my
here.
God.
You can hang all the coats. You can do double hanging in each
Yeah.
one of these. Same thing here. Double hanging plus
I
the
love
shelves.
Beautiful.
One of the most clever things, though, is this cabinet, which you'll see. It's a little shallower. Do you know why that's shallower? The post is gone. Look at that, gone. That weird, awkward pillar that was in the room is completely engulfed in there.
It's perfect.
Isn't this great?
More storage.
More storage. So you guys have 2 kids. So I've left the bottom shelf off either side. Each child can put their backpack in there. And then for you guys, you know, when you come in, before you go and when you show up at home, you get to look in the mirror. It just makes the space feel bigger. So let me ask you guys, does it feel like your entrance is complete?
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely. I love it.
Enjoy the new layout. Congratulations, your house is
Thank
now
you very much.
100% complete.
Thank you. Yes.
You're very welcome.